Hello, good afternoon all. Okay, let's start our webinar for today. And I hope based on our previous webinar on the masters, everyone has done the practice, or everyone has updated their HQ to the latest version, that is 63.53, and they have started updating their masters. So you should be ready for the new GST rollout phase. We have exactly 7 days now, and after 7 days we'll be ready with the new GST tax masters. Let's start. Okay, so as I have communicated to you in the previous session, like we won't be able to give you a individual support, and we have started giving our support as a group. Okay, and for that we are creating our help videos. We have given our desktop notifications. Okay, we are conducting a webinars, and I hope everyone has installed my GoFrugal app on their phones, because on every day, like 10 to 15, we are sending a notification. All the new videos, all the new blogs, we are sending a notification via my GoFrugal app. Also, I would like to introduce a very revolutionary chatbot we have introduced in from GoFrugal, which will help you to answer all your queries. As there won't be a individual support, we have released our chatbot. You can we have given the notification on my GoFrugal app, and I want everyone to test our chatbot, where we will be answering all your queries. Also, we have a expertise, we have a team experts on a product wise, on a transaction wise. Like if let's say you're asking some question and we are unable to give the answer of that question, we will surely get back to you on your queries. We have tested locally, we have released the beta version. Our almost 1,000 customers has already tested, and we found 92% of their problems we have fixed it. Like all the queries has been addressed, almost like a 92%. Okay, so let's start with the with what's new we have done in the HQ. First of all, we have done a very easy patch updation now. No need to worry about the patch updation. No need to call the support team now. No need to sit back and wait for your people to join and update the patch. Now you can do on your own as per your convenience. Maybe it's a daytime, nighttime, midnight, during a lunchtime, as per your convenience. You can do the HQ patch updation. Please note, we have done the HQ patch updation only on the cloud server. Okay, apart from the HQ patch updation, we have introduced a tax slab master. Now this is very important for the apparel vertical, since as you know, in the new GST tax master, there will be a different tax prices based on the category of the products. Like you say, example, in the clothing, from 0 to 1,000 there will be a 5%, 1,000, 2,000, the tax will be different. So we have introduced a tax slab master. Third thing, we have introduced a practice user mode. Now this is an amazing feature. What you can do in practice mode, you can run as a pilot. It's like a driving license we will be giving you before doing the go live. Here you can log in with the practice admin. You can do all the transaction. You can play with it, whatever you want to do. All kind of transaction, purchase, sales, GST 18% with cess with 5%, everything you can test in the practice mode, and it will not hamper your go live data. So this is, we have already released practice user mode. I request everyone to please update your patch as soon as possible. Also, we have done a printing enhancement. As you know, there will be a different formats on the printing. Like we have to show the GSTs, we have to show the CGST, we have to show the IGST, SGST, everything we have introduced in our printing enhancement. Same in the practice user mode. When you will log in, I will show you the demo in this webinar. In this printing enhancement, what you can do, you can just log in the practice user, do some transaction, and you can verify your sales screens, and you can also verify your bills and the purchase invoice copies. And also we have introduced one more thing, last night only we have introduced, that's a order type master, that is exclusively for the restaurant customers. Let's say you are giving a different tax based on your AC or a non-AC. We have introduced a order type master, like you can define a tax based on your table master or on a order master. Like if your half of the table is in AC, half of the table is in non-AC, you can define the tax accordingly. Same with the order master. We will show you the demo for the same. Also, like I said, we have done the few enhancements at the HQ level. So these are the enhancements we have done in this version, that is a sales, purchase, sale order, sale return, delivery note and receipt note. We will show you all this thing in our webinar by logging with the practice admin. So we will start with the HQ patch upgradation. Hello. So as you know, for the HQ patch upgradation, you have to log in with the admin user. Okay, make sure you log in with the admin user, and to do the after logging with the admin user, make sure you can make sure your version is 63.54. And in order to update the HQ, we have to click on the support, click on the HQ upgrade. Make sure this is available only for the customers who are on a Amazon cloud. It won't support on a Windows environment. And after clicking it, you have to just click on the here. In fact, here also you can check what version you are on and what's my latest version. Like right now I'm on 54, that has been released yesterday. Let's say after 3 days, if you're checking, you will be on a 54 and we have released 63.55. So both the versions will come over here. All you have to do is click on the proceed. Here you have to put the admin password. I will enter it. So automatically patch process will start here. We'll open one more window. Okay, and here we have mentioned like the full time it will take 2 hours. This is a maximum of 2 hours. It depends on your database. And we have also mentioned here, once you update the HQ patch, automatically we will send the patches to the outlet. As you know, as you are already aware of our patch process, we used to send from the support all the patches to outlet. You have to receive it and download. But in this, we will do automatically. Also, we have prepared a video for the same. Since everyone is on GoFrugal app, I request you to verify that video in detail. We have done for all the products. Here you have to just click on the apply patch and it will apply automatically. And in case you got stuck, you found any error message, we have a very easy option of chat here. You can just click it over. You can connect with the support team through live chat. So the new screen will be open here, and here you can just give your name, the email address, and if you're facing any error message, we request you to put your error message. And if you have very small doubts, we have our chatbot. You can use our chatbot. We have covered all the questions related to your patches. And also, like I have given you the example of the chatbot, there also, if you ask from the chatbot, I want to update the patch, they will give you the link of our video, our YouTube link, and you can refer those videos and you can update the patch. Now we will move on the Tech Slab Master. Okay, in the Tech Slab Master, this is exclusively for the apparel vertical and for our ARPOS 7 customers. Okay, like if you have multiple categories, there's a multiple slabs will be there regarding for your clothes, your bags, or maybe your luggages. You can mention the same. you can mention the same taxes in your slab master. Also, we have some few customers, like 4 customers we have in a footwear section. For them also, we request them to use a tax slab master. Now I will show in the HQ how to do that. For tax slab master, you have to click on the MDM, tax master management, and click on the tax slab master. As you also know, we have an option of search also. You can just click it over here, type tax slab. Okay, it will come. I will just enter it. My new screen will open here. That is for the tax slab master. Also, hello. Okay. Also, in my previous session, and we have a video for the same, we have explained you how to update the masters in the bulk also. So let's move on the tax slab master. You have to just click it and you will make a new tax slab. Let's say I'm making a new tax slab as grade A, or I can AB. Okay, grade AB is my new tax slab. Okay, here I will put rate from 1 to 500. I will be charging GST 5%. Click on plus. From 5012, to, let's say I will putting a 2000. From 501 to 2000, I will be charging a GST 12%. You have to click on the add. We have successfully modified, and we have made a new tax slab here. And you can also search the same on clicking on the tax slab name, and all the slabs that you have made, it will come here. Let's say you have a footwear, you have a garments also, you have bags also, you have all these things in your outlet. You can make and you can verify also. You can just click it and you can verify it. And if you want to inactivate, anytime you can inactivate the same. So we have prepared a grade AB, where I have given 0 to 500 tax 5%, 500 to 2000 tax slab is different. Now we will go on the item master. Please note, for the matrix item, there won't be a bulk update, as the items will be very few for the matrix customer. So we request them to do the update manually. So how we will do that? We will go on the item master. We will open the item master. We will click on the update. I have one matrix item here. So I will just click on the update here. Okay, and this screen will open as soon as you're on a newer version. This is a tax slab. So here I can just click it, and there is a shortcut of space key. All your slabs will come here. It's a bag, footwear, garments, whatever the category is, you can put the same. And also, like I was telling you the experience of my chatbot. We got few queries from our matrix customers. Let's say they are into the bag business. Okay. And bag business, they have a jute bag, cotton bag, and plastic bag. Since government won't be charging any GST for the jute, okay, but they're charging a GST for cotton and plastic. So we will be applying the 12% only on the categories cotton and plastic, not on jute. So on that note, you have to create a new category or a new item with jute, and there you can put a GST code. That bag jute is a different item. Bag plastic is my different item. Bag plastic and cotton is my different item. Okay, now we'll move to the next slide. Okay, after that tax slab master, we will be covering the practice user mode. So here we have done a very amazing thing here. Thanks to the GoFrugal development team, they work day and night on this, and this is an amazing feature they have developed to test the GST transaction before doing on a go live. So here, this is also helpful for your new employees also. Let's say you are hiring a new employee, but you don't want to take a risk to ask him to stand to do the billing. You can enable the practice user login for him, so he can he can play with it, and he can do all the dummy transaction, and it won't affect on your go live data. So practice user login, I will give you the demo for the same. We have done for all three products for POS 7, POS 6 and DE. So we'll start with the employee list, admin, employee detail, employee list. Employee list. This is how you make a employee, the centralized employee you make. So in a similar way, I will just make a test employee. Let's say I have a new hiring, so I'm just making a one employee here. I'm giving a here I have to give the username. Let's say I'm giving a practice here. Practice admin I'm giving here, and password will be admin, and password will be admin only. So make sure your username will be practice admin and password will be admin. And here there is a new feature in the employee on the next screen, login type. It's a live or the practice. So I will just click on the practice here. And employee code as usual, like this you might be doing earlier also. The only new screen is login type here. What kind of login will be there, practice or a live login? This will be common for all the verticals. Here I am giving the home outlet, okay, and I will just save it. As soon as you save, just click on the send outlet. This is the normal process like you used to do earlier. So this is my outlet RPOS. Here I will just log in with the practice admin now. Before logging to the practice admin, let me show you how to search it. Here we have an option of practice mode creation. Okay, what you have to do here is you can you can go on the tools, go on the configuration. We have a practice mode creation. What it will do, as soon as you will click the practice mode, automatically system will make a one dummy database, and in that database you have to log in with the practice user. Here you have to just click on the create, and system will start creating the database. It will take from almost 5 to 10 minutes based on your database size. This will be a very good feature. Here what you can do, you won't be able to make the new items. Items will come from the HQ only. All you can do here is sales transaction, the purchase transaction, the opening stock you can do. Then you can verify the bill print. As of now, we have given few bill prints. Okay, and after doing the bill prints, you can also verify in the accounts also, in the day book. Everything will be in your dummy database. Nothing to worry, it won't affect your HQ. And also one very important thing I want to communicate here, when you will use a practice user here, the transaction won't go in the HQ. The reason for the same, most of our customer is in the Oracle XE. That is the free license for the Oracle, and we cannot support a multiple database in our Oracle XE edition. So the transaction that you will do at the practice user mode, it will remain only at the POS level. It won't go to the HQ. So here I have started the process, and we will check on the same. We are creating a practice user mode because we just want to show the practically, so that's the reason we are doing it now. Meanwhile, we can just at just a 5 minutes we can have a small Q around also. I think we have some few questions that are coming, so let me address those questions here. Okay, we have few queries like whether can we do this thing in the two books. No, sir. Actually, as I informed you, we have few customers who are only on the Oracle XE version, and in Oracle XE version, they do not support a multiple database, sir. Mr. Ramakrishna asked when you release, sir. It is already released, sir. Like by today day end, we will upload in our FTP also. Yes, it's showing 54 version because it's our testing machine and we've already updated to the new version. Mr. Nikhil asked how to do a bulk upload to get rates for all the items. Sir, we have covered in the previous video. You can verify in the YouTube. Also, either you can in the search button you can just type a bulk. You will get the menus of item bulk update, contact master bulk update. Mr. Nikhil has asked, can you send me the link? Sir, could you please clarify what link you are asking so we can help you?
एक दिन 2 दिन का 80-90 उधर था जो 44 तारीख में 10-12 तारीख.
No, sir, we can't enable the multiple printers in the in one system, so you can only view it. As of now, we have launched a few bill prints, and in next 7 days you will get few more bill prints, sir. Mr. Pillai asked procedure for the bulk update. Yes, sir. We will share a good video with you for the same, sir. You can also use our My GoFrugal app, and there you can verify those videos.
प्लस है कभी कभी बढ़ जाती है जहाँ 15 तारीख पार होता है तो थोड़ी डाउन हो जाती है.
Can the bill print be okay? Procedure for the bulk update, how to map all the state codes.
Answer to CK is that I have asked whether it will affect or not.
How to update the state code? Yeah, yes, Vikram sir, we can update all the state code based on the contact master. You have once you have updated the GSTN number, and once you update the GSTN number, automatically it will take your state code also. You can also verify the same in our bulk update screen also. Mr. Karthikeyan asked, GST master already updated, then why updating the tax slab master in that? Sir, this is for the customer who will be using the apparels, footwears and the bags, sir, because they need a multiple tax master in their system, sir. One more question, is this impact in the order type master? Yes sir, we will cover the same after the practice user. I will show you how it will impact in the order type master. Mr. Krishna Hajani, I think I didn't get your question. I just got your hello Nishant. Can you please write your question again, sir? About update to new slab. Mr. Pillai, yes, you on 54 version you can update the patch, and then this tech slab master will be available. Mr. Sundaram asked, can you please send? Surely, sir, I will speak with my team who has sent the alert messages for you, and they will help you on the same, sir. Mr. Apu asked, HQ will be updated automatically. Yes, sir. As we have explained, you can update your HQ automatically, and all the patches will go to the outlets. For the same, also I request you to use our chatbot and make sure you're using our GoFrugal app, where we have given the detailed video to update the patch. So I think I have like more 30-40 questions. So what we will do, let's continue the practice admin and other slides, and then we'll come on these questions. Okay, now I can share my screen. Okay, so now we will continue with our practice admin. Okay, for the practice admin, as I have explained, you have to log in with the practice admin. Username should be the practice admin, and password will be the admin. So this is how the UI will look like for the practice user mode. See, as you can see, there is a change in the graphics. Like on the main screen, if you put your own logo, but in the practice user mode, you will see the practice user mode logo, where you can learn, practice, and expertise. Here, like you are doing already, you can just do the opening stock entry, like you're already doing it in your system. You can do a purchase, you can do a sales. So what we will do, we'll do a one sales here. Sale bill. So as you can see, we have enabled this GST option here. On the right hand side, after subtotal, you can able to see the GST here. Okay, so what we will do, we'll make a one bill. Okay, I will just do a one opening stock entry. We'll just do one opening stock entry, any one item. Okay. putting some 100 items. Okay. We'll just save it. Okay. Now also here you can see we have enabled this option of the GST. So we are putting for the GST item, putting as a 10 quantity. Okay, selling price is 500 and I'm just saving it. So we'll go on the billing screen, sale bill. Okay. And same thing is applicable for the ARPO 6 also. You can verify on your other products also, on your base products, you can verify all these things. Like we have some customers joined from the DE also, and for them also they can use the practice admin, and based on that they can verify the same. I think this my logo, the GTM logo is coming up here, might be disturbing you. So here you can see there is a GST here. The values will be coming here for the GST.
Trying to minimize.
See, here there is a GST value. You can verify the GST values also here. So we are saving the bill. I'm just saving it with the cash as of now with a no print. Okay. So it's all saved. As you're already aware of reprint option, in the we'll be going on to the reprint option here also. If I will preview it, I will go. I will just check that bill. I will go on the preview. So here I can see the dummy bills. We have done the dummy bills here for this thing, for the GST. Okay, as you can see, we have calculated the total GST amount also here. See, the total GST amount will come here. Also, we have another bills here, format here. Okay, where you can actually see the other GST amount and all the other details you are given on the bills. If let's say you have a multiple text details, it will come in the text detail. What I recommend you to make a one test item in the HQ, you can use all the text that will be applicable on your business, and then you do a one dummy billing at the post level. So you can do the testing before you start the go live from the 1st July. And also you can verify the same in the accounting at the track level. So reports, daily reports, I'm going on the day book here. Just click. Okay, so I'll be going on the day book. Here I can see what my SGST 2.5 tax collection is. So all the values will come on the ledgers here. Similarly, like since we have so many joinees, everyone is from the different verticals. Some are from the apparels, some are from the electronics, or some are from the DE, some are from the restaurants, supermarkets, departmental store, hypermarkets. I humble request to everyone, please make a text master. Please make a couple of items with all the text possible in your business process. Make a test items, send to outlet, do as a practice user, log in it, do a one purchase, do a one sales, check the bill print, do it before Monday or Tuesday. So if you have any doubts, we will be here to help you. You can ask from the chat board if you have any doubts, or you can come online or via GoFrugal app. It's my humble request to do the practice login, so your all the transaction in the GST phase will be a very smooth one. As you know, as of now, we have done the bills based on the transaction tax invoice, retail, and bill of supply. Okay, and all the printing profile, we have just given a test printing profile as of now. This is just a phase one, and our team is working hard on all the other printing profiles which you will be getting in every release. every release we will be enhancing the more build design, the more purchase design, the STOs, the STIs, everything will be available. Also, as I have mentioned in the earlier during my webinar, like we have also released in our ARPOS 7 also. Similarly, in HQ restaurant, now this is exclusively for the restaurant customers. I will be opening one restaurant HQ. This is my home machine. Okay, this is HQ restaurant. Here, as I've explained, we have done some changes in the order type master. If you have a AC, non-AC restaurant, so based on your order type master, we have enhanced our text master on the same. So these things will come in the item master, and it will come only for our restaurant and bakery customers only. So they have to click on the item master, they have to click on the update, and here you have to see the tax calculation. This is a very important field here. You have to decide how your tax will be calculated, whether it will be on an item master or it will be based on your ordered master type or the table master. So you have to configure accordingly as per your items. You have to configure your tax calculation, and then you will send this thing to the outlet level. So I have one outlet here, ARPOS 7 here, ARPOS 6 we have. So here I would like to show how it will come over here under the masters. When you go on the item master, I will just view one item here. Okay, I'm just taking one item. So in the GST details, the tax slab will come here. This thing will come from the HQ. Like how your tax slab will be there. It will be based on your item master, or it will be based on your order type master. Yeah. And now, as we have mentioned order type master, we have done the enhancement on our order type masters also, that you can do from sales masters. We'll start with the table master. When you go on the table master, I will edit it. I will go on A1 table. We have, see, there will be an option of the GST details. In case you didn't found this thing in your new version, I request you to click on the manage tab and make sure your GST detail is enabled here. So as soon as you will enable here, this GST detail option will come here. So if I click on the GST detail, I will just press F2. So whatever text you want to put, you can put it here. Again, my request is you can make a one test table and you can put the text details and then go to the practice admin and you can run some transactions, and you can also consult with the tax consultant after showing them a ledger is everything is good for me. Because I also I also want to give the update after this demo. Next week, maybe on Monday or Tuesday. Monday is Eid, so maybe we can plan on the Tuesday. We have also released updates on the True Books, where we will explain you the ledgers and how easy we will be doing for you to do the e-filing. Since GST is official Suvidha provider, GST Suvidha provider will give you very easy options to do your filings. So after the table master, I will show you the order master also. Sales masters, I'm going to the order type master. So here also the same thing, you have to click on the GST details. I'm doing for the delivery. Okay, if I click on the delivery, I have a GST details. So here also I can put what text detail I want to put. So again, put, save, test and expertise. Okay, now we'll be moving for the, I think we are left only with 15-20 minutes, so let's quickly we will move to our question and answer round. There looks like there are lots of questions are pending from our customers, so we will be starting the QA round here. So I have Mr. Thirumalai also with me, who will be helping you out on your questions also. Mr. Sham has asked what effect for the old backup after applying the new patch for the GST. Sir, nothing will happen. It will stay there. And also, since you're on a cloud, we have given a one separate drive. All the backups go on your separate drive also. Mr. Apu asked CP is the cost rise, right? Yes, sir. We can update the same in our item master bulk update also. And make sure you are doing for the while doing the item master migration only. Mr. Sham, yes, for the old backup of the GST, it will remain there only because we know you have to file your input credits and everything. So our data will remain there only with the old ledgers only. If you pull the report for the let's say I'm in a July now, so I want to pull the report for the April, it will show the old ledgers only based on the sales you have done in the previous months. Mr. Mr. Pillai has asked the question, if I change one existing item master, item code text lab, then is there any change in previous web transaction account book for one? There won't be any change, sir. You can use it. Mr. Ramakrishna, you have asked on click of proceed button, it takes for the username and password, but it's not taking. Can you please clarify this thing? And also, as I mentioned, you try our chatbot, you will love it. You just ask this question and see how well they will reply on your questions. And also, you are on a 53, and tonight we'll be releasing a new patch because we have started uploading it because there are a few versions we are uploading, and by today day end you will get your version. Mr. Karthikeyan asks if each item has to put text from the item master or time master. So if you are selling few items, if let's say you are in a bakery business, you are selling or not based on the table master or a time master, you are selling only from the item master only. Let's say I have a cupcake. I'm not selling it via order time master or table time master. So on that note, you can put the text only based on the item master only. No need to put the order time master. If you have a restaurant, if you are doing a dine-in or a delivery or takeout separate restaurant bill entry, then you have to go with the order time master or table time master. Mr. Sundaram, yes sir, the breakup of SGST and CGST percentage will automatically populated. For the same, I request you to make a one test item in the HQ, put the text slabs, okay, put the text slab with the cess and the normal text, then do a one sale transaction with a practice admin and check on the reprint screen. It will come, it will calculate automatically both the percentage, like how much will be a CGST, how much will be the SGST. Since GoFrugal is a Suvidha provider, so we have all the details, how the taxation will work, so we have updated our product accordingly, sir. Mr. Karthikeyan saying he has 1196 items. How to possible each item? Yes, sir, we have a bulk update tool. On the top right of the HQ, you can just click on the item master, or you can just put on the bulk. The item master bulk update will be there. Also, if you still faced any problem, you can refer our YouTube videos and GoFrugal Lab. We have given a detailed video for the same, sir. Mr. Babu asked, no sir, there won't be any bulk update for the matrix items, sir, because the SKUs will be very few. So you have to do one by one. Also, as you see, there is a bit complex government has done for the category wise. Like if you are selling a bag, you will be paying a different tax for the cotton, you are paying a different tax for the jute, and different tax for the plastic. So to cope up with that, it is not possible to the bulk update. That's the reason we are giving as a manual update only, because there can be 100 categories to one item. There can be a, if you do a parent-child combination as a matrix combination, there can be like n number of permutation and combination. So it won't be possible to do the bulk master for the matrix items. Mr. Karthik, if you will update the latest version at the POS level, it won't affect anything, but make sure your version should be the compatible enough for the HQ, because this might hamper your backup process. The database backup won't sync with the POS if there is a version mismatch. Just hold for two minutes. And also, Mr. Vikram asked, do you practice GST? Yes, sir, it's available in the standalone only. Like I have explained, we are not supporting in the HQ. It won't come, the transaction won't come in the HQ, because most of our customers are using Oracle XE, and Oracle XE won't support the multiple database, and it can't take the multiple loads, sir. Mr. Krishna Hajani asked, as you told, for 63.54, it will be automatically updated if you are on Amazon. Yes, sir, it will be automatically updated. You have to just click one button, sir. One button you need to click, automatically patch will be updated, along with the admin username and password too. Mr. Manish has asked, will be updated by GoFrugal support team only or what? Sir, you don't have to rely on the support now. And as per your convenient, you are available in the midnight or lunchtime or early morning. No need to depend on the support. No need to wait for your number to come on the call. Just directly go on the HQ and do the patch updation, sir. Mr. Krishna Hajani, sir, we want to switch to the Amazon cloud. Sir, for this, I request you can consult with your commercial manager or the solution delivery manager, sir. Another person has asked, Mr. KK, no, we have option for dine-in takeaway delivery. Yes, sir. If you have a multiple option for the restaurant, then I request you in the item master, you can define the text based on the item master or slash table master. So accordingly, at the cost level, you can define your text slabs. And another question from Mr. Sunish, what about the previous stock? Will come GST financial year as it is or not? Yes, sir, it will migrate to the new version. As soon as you will move to the GST, all the stock will migrate. And also, if you will update the tax, accordingly, it will calculate your tax also. As shown, the tax calculation can't be updatable. Mr. Rajendra has asked for the order type and the table master. Sir, this thing you have to do at the POS level only, because you might be having a different kind of scenario. You might be having a half of your restaurant in the AC, half of the restaurant in the non-AC. So, and there might be different tables, right? This table is only for exclusively for these items or XYZ. So based on your restaurant type and the table master only, you have to update only at the POS level. But yes, in the bulk, you can update whether that text will be calculated on the item master or on the based on the table master. Mr. Nikhil, yes, sir, a very good question. Yes, will the GST rate start calculating automatically? Yes, sir. We will give you an option, like you have to click on the 30th of night, where you will click it, and automatically all the transaction will start calculating the GST. And as I've explained in like 15 minutes before, what you can do is, as of now, we have enabled the GST transaction in the practice admin. So log in with the practice admin, do some transaction, and you can verify the same at the track level also. Mr. Sunzam has asked, hope you will take us through the true books on the GST. Yes, sir, we have completed on the true books also. We planned the webinar after the GST on Monday, but since it's a Eid on Monday, most of our customers won't be available, so we'll be doing on a Tuesday. So we'll be doing on the Tuesday, as we planned for Monday, but people won't be available. Some customers, they will be celebrating, so let's do it on a Tuesday, and we'll share you the webinar link by tomorrow or by Monday, sir. Sir, if you're missing like few questions, then I request you can use our boards, and there will answer you all the questions, and we'll also email you all your queries also, in case you missed your questions also. In HSN Master, edit HSN code. Yes, Mr. Ashok Babu, if you take the item master, automatically your HSN will update the HSN master also. But for the code, you need to contact your tax consultant or the suppliers. As you because there are other people who are asking on the HSN codes and all. See, if you remember the first day when we guys have done the implementation, you have given me the sheet of item master with the tax. Let's say you want to update the Parle-G, you have given the it takes 5%. So HSN code also will be given by your manufacturers or by your suppliers only. Mr. Pillai, no, there won't be much any changes in the farmer tool. Mr. Shok, yes, for the reports we will be releasing the next version. In the next version, we will be updating you how you can verify the same in the reports. As of now, we have done in the basic transaction, which you can test in the practice user login. In the practice user login, after doing the sales or after doing the purchase, you can test the simple reports. Normal sales registered, purchase registered. We have updated the all the text configuration. Okay, there are a few more questions. I think we need to wind up because there's another session now. So at the last, I just want to request each and everyone here, make sure you check our chatbot. Okay, make sure you install our chatbot. Make sure you install the My GoFrugal app on your system, or on your mobile system, and ask as many as questions from the chatbot. Since we have experts on each module, each transaction, and each product, if your some questions are unanswered, we will be updating same on the same day. Since we're working here 24/7, we are working on weekends every day to give you the best services on the GST. So please, I request everyone on the Tuesday when we're having our next session, make sure you have tested the chatbot completely. Thank you everyone for the session. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Bye.